Kamiti ya kubanga mathiko ma uria urari mumbunge wa KASIPUL MUTIGAIRI Charles Ong'ondo were iri iratongorio ni mumbunge wa HOMA Town Paul KALUMA NIYUGITE Charles were AKAHURUKIO tariki 9 mweri uyu. Maniriria igongona ria kumuririkana rigatabanio muthenya wa gatatu kiumia giukite kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica na thutha ucio mwiri wake utwarwo gwa kimucie mwena wa KASIPUL kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay muthenya wa kana kiumia o kiu.
Brother Were will be laid to rest on 9th May 2025 at his home in KASIPUL constituency in Homa Bay County. The Requiem Mass will be held on Wednesday, hopefully at the Holy Family Basilica. We will make further confirmation on this because he was a Catholic. On Thursday, following the Requiem Mass, we will transport the body home, and the body will be flown to Kabunde airstrip in Homa Bay before the body is transported to his home for the final rites.
Kamiti no ni uritie honge cia uthuthuria gutigirira ni maikia ngono aria marakuruhanire na gikuo kia Were makiuga mari na wagagu wa ugitiri wa atongoria o hamwe na muingi.
The circumstances of the death of this MP is something that needs to be handled, thoroughly and in good detail and in good time, because the casual manner in which the MP lost his life is something that can downgrade the sense of security of the country in even the eye of the international community. So I'm encouraged with this.
Amwe ya memba kamiti no ni monanitie kwaga kuiganira na ugiteri wa bururi makiuria kana muingi uri na ugiteri wa kuigana kuona Were aroragirwo ona thengia wa gukorwo ari na maabitha a kumurangira.
And we have lost in a great way. So we are all asking ourselves questions. Are we safe as Kenyans? Are we safe as the people of Kenya? The men, the women, the children of Kenya, are we safe?
Ona kuri uguo atongoria ya matongoretio ni Millie Odhiambo ni makumithitie miario ire koretwo igitwarithio na mbere ni muingi akiuga ari bata andu maiguanire tha na manyitanire na atongoria niguo gwetha kihonia kia mathina mao akiuga riri ti ihinda ria kuorotana.
And it is high time that we started also looking for solutions instead of pointing and complaining all our lives. How does it help as a country? If the only thing we can do is when a politician dies or somebody else, you start fighting. And to tell you very honestly, there's somebody who spoke in a way that maybe young people didn't like. Was it the father of these young girls?
Kuma riria Were uragirwo gukoretwo na ndeto iratambio nenda-ini igituthura ciuria cia maruru maria muingi uri namo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.